It'll be a retake of this old awesome Otis coloured square Lexan traction lift at the corner of Queen and Albert Street City. Hopefully level 3 is open today. Let's go baby, it's open. There's the old Otis badge. We'll do a cab view. I discovered another similar square Lexan in Toowoomba yesterday, but it wasn't coloured, and these fixtures were proper Lexan, not pre-Lexan. There's the emergency stop button, which I won't be pushing. 750 kilos of that person's. We'll do one last ride up to 3 and then go to ground and make it towards an end. I love the coloured square Lexan. 3 doors. Was it, or no door close button, which is kind of crap. But if there was, it would make life a lot easier. Just a little bit of 3 doors. There's fixture view, which is just a normal square Lexan colour. Should go. There it goes, and that